Number 5. Cuisinart CGG-750 Venture Gas Grill. If you're in the market for a compact gas grill that packs a punch, the Cuisinart CGG-750 Venture Gas Grill is the perfect choice. This cleverly designed grill may look like a lunchbox, but don't be fooled, it's powerful and easy to transport. One of the standout features of the Venture is its compact size, making it ideal for taking on the go to barbecues or tailgates. The 1-pound propane cylinder conveniently clips into the bottom, with the grill in the middle and a wooden cutting board serving tray on top. The large handle makes it easy to carry everything with you. The 9000 BTU burner heats up part of the cast iron grate to over 600 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for achieving a great sear on your food. The non-stick coating on the grate is effective at preventing food from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. While there were some temperature inconsistencies from one side of the grill to the other, this can be easily managed by turning and moving your food frequently during cooking. It's a minor inconvenience that doesn't detract from the overall performance of the grill. What sets the Cuisinart CGG-750 Venture Gas Grill apart from its competitors is its compact design, powerful burner, and convenient features like the wooden cutting board. If you're in the market for a compact gas grill that delivers great results wherever you go, check out the Cuisinart Venture today.